Second day in a row, health officials are reporting 2 deaths associated with COVID-19, bringing the state's COVID death toll to 31. This comes as 201 new cases were reported today, 1 on Maui, 200 on Oahu, marking Oahu's largest single-day number of cases. The statewide total now surpasses 3,000. Health officials say both of the latest fatalities were men from Oahu, one older than 60, and he'd been hospitalized after being exposed to a positive household member. The second man was between 40 and 59 years old. He died alone at home. His family reported he had symptoms but did not seek medical care. As for the future, health officials are making dire predictions in the coming weeks. Manolo Morales has details.
The current spikes mean more active cases, and while hospitals can handle the current load, Lieutenant Governor Josh Green says an increase in active cases will likely lead to a surge in deaths.
With 1,618 active cases, I predict there will be 175 hospitalizations in the next 14 days additional, and also as many as 20 fatalities over the course of the next month based on these numbers.
Green adds that having HPD step up enforcement of not having more than 10 people at gatherings will help, but he points out it will be hard for police officers to stop people from having large parties inside their homes. In most cases, it's the younger population who violate the rules, so Green is asking older residents to sit down with their family and lay out the consequences.
I think that we as parents and grandparents need to share with our younger generation that this is the time really to please maintain a very quiet lifestyle.
Green says what happens in the next few weeks will affect everyone. The economy will not get better unless Hawaii as a whole becomes safer. He says right now reopening tourism on September 1st is unlikely.
I would say it's not particularly realistic as of today. I think that the Gov will have to revisit that with the whole group that's working on it. If you open up Trans-Pacific travel and you have a lot of people at restaurants and a lot of people at hotels, there will be extra risk. And our hospitals are going to be full at the end of this month or into September at this rate.
Green says even if Oahu residents follow the rules, we won't see a significant drop in cases until 5 to 7 days. So there will be more triple digits in daily cases. He adds that we can still turn things around, but the window is closing. So everyone needs to clamp down now. Manolo Morales, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.